Hey, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp error cannot send this video. That happens when you're most of the time when you're sending videos over 16 megabytes. But even if it's lower than 16 megabytes, I'll show you how to fix it on any iPhone and on any Android device. But before we start, just give the video a like. It really helps out the channel. Each like helps us get a few more views. Subscribe if you are new. We just hit 13,200 subscribers, which is really cool, but we want to get 100k this year. So you can also comment down below if you have any questions around the video. I would love to help you out. And comment down below which country are you watching this video from, because I'm curious to know. So if the file on WhatsApp is over 16 megabytes or lower, you can send it and you're getting the WhatsApp error cannot send this video. What you can do is actually go on a free website. It's called WeTransfer. I'm using the free version. All you gotta do is go on WeTransfer, click on send a file, add your files, photo library, add any file, click on add. It will click on send, get a link, transfer. It will upload it. It will take a few seconds, maybe a minute, and then it will give you a link that you can then go ahead and copy by clicking copy link. Then open up WhatsApp and send it to the person that needs to see it. If this video helped you out, again, give me a like. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. Each like helps out the channel a lot. And if you want us to cover another topic, let me know in the comment section down below. See you next video.